Coming from Steve Mathis and coming directly from the Beta Motorcycles press release, as of today, immediately, for immediate release, or however you want to say it, Colt Nichols and Beta mutually agreed to part ways. And let's be honest, I don't think it's always mutual when they say that, but it's a better PR thing than saying, hey, we fired him or he left. Either way, let's be honest, he didn't look all that impressive this year, with Benny Bloss honestly looking like the better rider on that bike. So who knows? If you look, Steve posted, quote, look for Colt on HEP starting at Millville for multi-year deal. So maybe he just didn't like the bike. Maybe they didn't, maybe it was mutual. He decided he didn't like it very much. They said, we can put somebody else on it and you can go to a different team. Who knows? But if he's going to go from his factory ride back to a Suzuki, I mean, it's probably what he's comfortable with. Who knows? Maybe it's just a team that he likes better or whatever it is, but it's a big change. I mean, obviously, being one of the first guys on that factory beta, you kind of want to make it look good or make yourself look good. And like his teammate actually did. His teammate looked competitive, fast, impressive. And nothing against Colt, but he just didn't seem to, I don't know, either gel with that bike or just didn't seem to work for him. So if he does end up moving back to a Suzuki for the rest of outdoors, I mean, that's good for him, and it's also good for somebody else because that means that bike, that ride, if they if Beta decides to keep a two-man team, which I'm assuming they probably would if they started with one, I mean somebody else can get a what you would assume to be a factory ride, which is always good. I mean, obviously, like I say, more money, more factory bikes, more, competition because you're going to get people on better rides, on faster rides that are taken better, not, I don't say taken care of better, but like, have all the bits and bobs and parts that can make them, spec. And it's going to be good for somebody else when I don't know if they get a call up this year or maybe, for next of Supercross season, but for him, who knows? Is this going to be a good thing, bad thing, whatever it is? Comment down below. What do you think? Is it good for him to be leaving Beta? Did you like him on it? You think he's going to be happier on Suzuki? Whatever it is, comment down below and tell me who you think wins the 450s, the 250s at Southwick, or the championship overall. And if you're going to any races, whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see you all later. Peace.